Hi everyone, in this video I want to give you a lesson about CapCut. Okay, so what is CapCut? In CapCut you can create a video project, or you can create a template. Okay, and what should I do to make a video in CapCut? The first thing, you have to go to the Play Store and find CapCut. After that, click here and click update. You can see there's a lot of things that you can do with CapCut. Okay, after you install CapCut, first, if you want to create a new project, you can click here. This is to create a new project. Okay, and this one is the project you've created before. Okay, this is edit. This is for creating a new project. Okay, next is if you want to use template from other, and then this one is inbox from CapCut. This one is your profile. Okay, and the first thing you have to do is click this one, new project. Choose any photo or video. This is video, this is photos. You can choose from any folder in your smartphone, or you can choose from the stock videos like this. So this is the stock video. Okay, and click this one. You can choose HD version or not, and after that click add, and that's it. That's how you create a new project in CapCut. See you on the next video for next lesson. Thank you.